Welcome to CSIR NET Chemistry Facts. Hello guys, today we will discuss the CSIR NET 2017 December part B, question number 35. So this is the molecule given and which one will be the correct answer? Option number 1 is plane of symmetry, 2 R configuration, 3 S configuration and 4 center of symmetry. So guys, we will come for the detailed analysis of this question. So let's see. Hello guys, this is a alene system and you can see that this in alene system one double bond can be replaced by a ring and that also behave as the same. So in that case A not equal to B is the condition to be chiral. Okay, so in this condition there will be a chiral axis and there will be no chiral center. So you have to remember guys, here the chiral axis is there but no chiral center is there, and in this molecule there is no symmetry plane and there is no point of inversion is present. Okay, so this molecule is a chiral molecule and hence it will be either R configuration or S configuration. So guys, there will be few rules we have to remember. The first rule is that closer groups will get more parity, hence it will place in the thick bond. So guys, when I will do the example what is given in the question, then you will understand this point in a far better manner. In the second point, we have to remember that clockwise rotation is given the R configuration and anti-clockwise rotation will give the S configuration, that we already know. And guys, for the normal RS nomenclature, we know that the lowest priority group should be in the vertical position. If it is in horizontal position, then it will, if the clockwise rotation will give the S configuration and anti-clockwise rotation will give the R configuration. That means the opposite will be follow. But in this case, the position of the lowest priority group either in the horizontal or vertical does not matter and does not affect in the configuration. So we will just see the rotation, is it clockwise or anti-clockwise. If clockwise, then it is R configuration, and if it is anti-clockwise, then it is S configuration, and no need to see that what is the position of the lowest priority group. So guys, this is the three things we have to remember. And now I will come for our question. So this is the molecule is given in our question. So if you see this molecule, this CO2H and this hydrogen are in the plane. That means the plane of this blackboard, and this CO2H is the above the plane and this hydrogen is the below the plane. So guys, now we will see this molecule from this side. So if we see this molecule from this side, then what will happen? So this CO2H and this hydrogen will be closer to us, and whatever the group are in the plane, that will go for the horizontal line, and whatever the group is the above and down to the plane, that will go to the vertical line, and hence these two group will come to the horizontal line and that will be more thicker because it is more closer. So guys, this is the bond, and here you can see this is my left side and this is my right side. So therefore hydrogen will come to the left side and this CO2H will come to the right side. So this is the configuration will come. Now we have to see this CO2H will be there in the vertical bond, and as it is above the plane, so it will come here, and these hydrogen are in the below the plane, so it will come to down. So guys, now if you give the priority order, then we know the closer groups will get more parity, and hence this CO2H and hydrogen will get more parity. So therefore among this hydrogen and CO2H has the higher priority, so therefore this is the one. And now we'll come for the far groups. In the far groups, this CO2H will get the priority number 3 and this will get the priority number 4. So 1 to 2 to 3. So this will be a clockwise type of rotation. So clockwise rotation means this is the R configuration. So this molecule are in the R configuration. So for better understanding, I will see this molecule from the opposite side also, and let's see that what will be the configuration in this case, in that case. So guys, now I am here. So guys, I am seeing this molecule from this side. So this CO2H and this hydrogen will be closer to me. So therefore the vertical bond is closer to me. So in this vertical bond, the above will be CO2H because the CO2H are in the above the plane and hydrogen will go to the below the plane. So now in the horizontal bond, if you see, these hydrogen are there in my right side and this CO2H is there in my left side. So therefore in this horizontal bond, the right side the hydrogen will come and the left side the CO2H will come. So guys, this will be the structure. So now we have to give the priority order. So if we give the priority order, then the closer group will get the more priority, and this CO2H will get 1, this is will get 2. So now in this far group, this CO2H will get 3 and this hydrogen will get 4. So now we'll come for the 1 to 2 to 3. So this is again a clockwise rotation, and hence it will represent the R configuration. So guys, in the given molecule is in the R configuration. So guys, hope you understand this, whatever the correct answer. So the molecule is the R configuration, and hence the option number 2 is the correct option. So guys, hope you understand this logical answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.